Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Christmas classic that can seem really overwhelming if you've never known how to do it, but I'm going to show you just how simple it is using a half leg of ham and a pre-made glaze from Woolworths. So the first step we're going to do is cut the skin and remove that, leaving a nice layer of fat that we can score. So we're going to cut along the line of the skin, and then we're going to do the same over this side. So once we've made those cuts, what we want to do is get your hand in and keep a layer of fat here, using your fingers and hand to move the skin off. So once we've removed that skin, you can set that aside. You've got this beautiful layer of fat, and we're going to score that, which will allow the glaze to sink in, and we can decorate it with cloves. So we're sticking the cloves in every second score to create a pattern. They have a lovely infusion of Christmas flavour. Once you've done the scoring and placed the cloves, it's as simple as placing the ham into a baking dish. You can grab some alfoil ones from Woolworths so that you can throw the whole thing away when you're done. Then we're going to baste it with these pre-made glaze, throw it in a 170-degree oven for about an hour and a half. Remembering that the ham is cooked, it's just a matter of getting a nice colour on that glaze and warming the ham through. So as soon as you start to get some colour on your ham, which you can see the glaze is starting to take it out of the oven and give it another baste. So once you've basted that glaze on again, pop it back into the oven, same temperature, for 30 to 45 minutes or until you've got a really great golden colour.